In this episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about hustle. Well, what do I mean by hustle? If we think back to the beginning of the pandemic, all of us kind of probably had the mindset, I know I did, that maybe in a couple of months, 3 or 4 months, maybe 5 months, things are going to kind of level out and get back to normal. Well, here we are, we're coming into 2021, and we're no closer to normal than when we started. In fact, it's worse in many cases. A lot of cleaners way back then thought, well, I'll just kind of wait it out. Things are going to get back to normal, so I'll just kind of do what I can and see where we end up. But something is interesting we discovered here at Excellent Supply, because we talked to a lot of commercial carpet cleaners, is that we have a handful of customers that are absolutely killing it. They're blowing up their business right now during the pandemic. They're buying new equipment, they're making large purchases of supplies, and their businesses are expanding exponentially. So you got to wonder, what's the difference between those guys and some of our other customers who aren't doing quite as well? And I really think it comes down to hustle. What we've observed with these entrepreneurs, and I use that word to describe them because that's what they are. They're entrepreneurs. They're out there engaged in their business and they're growing their business. They're getting out in front of people and they're working to develop their business even when the market's kind of cooled off. So I want to encourage you to think about that in your own company, to work on your business, work on your website, work on your presentation material, work on the presentation that you give, get out in front of people, make phone calls, make contacts, follow up on the interest shown with those that you've talked to. In other words, now is the time to get out there and hustle. Get out there, as we've seen from some of these successful entrepreneurs, and get in front of people and increase your business. Because if you don't, if you sit on the sidelines and just kind of wait it out, you're going to find that your business will atrophy in the process. So I want to encourage you to consider ways to grow your business. If we can help you do that here at Excellent Supply, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us. We want to help you max your Encap. Again, thank you for watching this episode of Encap TV. Please hit the like, subscribe, comment below. We appreciate it when you do that as well. Have a great day.